I'm Las Vegas criminal defense attorney Michael Becker. Most arrests are carried out by law enforcement officers, but under NRS 171.126, ordinary private citizens have the right to place criminal suspects under arrest too. Here are 4 things to know about how to make a citizen's arrest in Nevada. 1. Private citizens have the right to arrest a criminal suspect for committing a felony whether or not the private citizen witnessed it. 2. Private citizens may also arrest a criminal suspect for committing a misdemeanor or gross misdemeanor, but only if the suspect committed the crime in the private citizen's presence. 3. When making a citizen's arrest, the person doing the arresting should use no more force than necessary. Deadly force is not allowed unless the suspect poses a threat of serious bodily injury to others or the person doing the arresting. And 4. Citizens' arrests may occur at any time of day or night. This is in contrast to law enforcement who, with some exceptions, generally may not arrest people for misdemeanors between 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. If you've been arrested in Nevada, call my legal team today at 702-DEFENSE for a free consultation. The attorneys of the Las Vegas Defense Group will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.